This is the refrigerator. I want to show you the water that's being collected. It's actually going down onto the ground because it has nowhere to go because the line is frozen up. Sometimes in typical refrigerators, I've had some at 1 year old, 10-year old, doesn't matter, but lines freeze up for whatever reason. As you can see, it's a lot of water collecting here. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to service it. I'm going to go ahead and go inside the freezer and take it apart. Now, I'm leaving it on for now to show you that the freezer's on. It does defrost, but what is happening, and we don't keep much food in here, so we're not packing it or anything like that. So, as you can see, ice is building up. It has ice buildup. Now I believe it's defrosting, but I think it's the thermometer or the thermostat that's gone bad, and I have to take it apart to look at it, and I'll come back to that. The freezer is completely frozen down this hole. You can't see it because it's, you know, the evaporator's in the way, but I took my mirror, my trusty mirror, and I was able to take my mirror and look down the hole, and it's completely frozen. So I'm homing out the parts right now and checking them out. And right now I'm going to check the element, which is good. Okay, so that's coming on good. Hold on. So I ohmed out the thermostat and the element and the thermistor. And what we have is a problem with this part right here. That keeps toning out, so we need to replace that. It's making the water evaporate too fast. So as the water evaporates constantly, going into the wrong cycle, it's too much water going down the drain, and it can't handle the water, the amount of water that the thermostat is telling it to go down the drain. So when that happened, the drain iced up, and then it would not allow the water to go into the evaporator or into the pan correctly. So that's why the pan is full, because the thermostat kept telling the refrigerator to cycle when it's not supposed to, and it could not handle the amount of water going down that drain. So you have an iced up drain. Now I'm going to be able to probably put my phone there and show you what I'm talking about. Let's see. I don't know if you can see it. Not that hole, but the other hole. This hole here. That's full of ice. That is iced up right there, that hole. There's just nothing but ice in there, okay? That's a big sheet of ice, okay? And that's because that thermostat told it to keep cycling too much, okay? It's typical. I've replaced hundreds of them.